Hi Taurus, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to check out your June's 2021's monthly predictions, and we are going to see what are the guidance energies towards you. Okay, so this will be a love reading, but if other things also come up in between, I'll take that as well. And I'm going to take out your past, present and future energies over here. So this is not going to resonate with all of you. So take what resonates and leave the rest, alright? So let's get started with your reading. For my Taurus, June 2021 monthly predictions. What is going on for my Taurus 2021? Taurus, June 2021. What's going on between Taurus and their person? June 2021, if there is, or whatever the love energies are for Taurus. Okay. If you want to book an appointment with me, you can DM me on my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below. Okay, so let's see now. Okay, so at the back of the deck we have the Moon card. Okay, so yesterday was a full moon, 26th of May. A very beautiful blood full moon was that it was. Okay, all right, so it seems here that a lot of hideous energies are coming up, Taurus. It seems like somebody, either it's your energy or your person's energy. This is somebody who is trying to hide the feelings. Okay, some kind of hidden feelings are there for someone, but you know you are not able to talk to anyone about it. That is why it's inside. Okay, we will clarify what exactly this is. In the past we have the Seven of Rods, the Star, and the Knight of Pentacles. To me it seems like, you know, you were standing up for yourself when all the hope was lost for love. I would say that you started becoming very you know, patient, and a person who is not so much into love anymore. You were that kind of person. Knight of Pentacles, strong Taurus energies. So this person is your energy only. Okay, so this person is like, I'm not ready, you know, I'm not ready for any relationship. Might be it can be you or something around you, because the energies are really not negative, I would say, but yeah, the hope is lost for love relationships. No, I am more into myself. You are trying to figure out some stuff in your life. You are loyal, obviously, being a Taurus. Strong loyalty, strong positivity is here, but still I'm going to take a break. So that is the break kind of a feeling which is coming up, that you are not involved with anyone, or if anyone is trying to come towards you, so you are trying to defend yourself. You know, this person, they both are literally, somebody is trying to come into their territory, so they are trying to defend that person. No, defend themselves, that no one can enter in my territory. So something like that was happening. In the present we have the Ten of Cups, Seven of Swords, and the Six of Cups. So yeah, there's somebody who is actually trying to sneak out, I think sneak in. Okay, so well, this person is actually sneaking out, but I am really getting with strong positive energies that somebody is trying to come from the past. Might be this person is coming towards you, that you know, somebody might be trying to interact with you, just a healthy conversation, a message in the WhatsApp or Messenger, wherever, but somebody is trying to connect with you, and that same person who actually betrayed you in the past. So this somebody is coming up. So that is the energy which is showing up, that somebody is trying to connect to my Taurus. In the future we have the World, Queen of Cups, and Temperance. I think the time has actually made you lot stronger, you know, with these two cards, as the Temperance and the World card. The World is the last card of the major arcana, and it means that a process which is over and you are ready to move on. I feel that you are ready to already move on, but yes, obviously being a Taurus, it's the quality of a Taurus is not always ready to move on. They are still very slow. So I'm seeing that your energies are very slow over here, but yes, because see, with the Queen of Cups we have, so yes, you are still in love with this person, or at least still thinking about this person, but you don't know what to do with this person. You are still, at least you are not confused, I would say. You are in a place where you cannot go back, okay? Because see, this Temperance, this lady is moving forward. She is not looking back, but she is standing as well. So did you understand that it's not necessary that she is moving, but yes, she is in the process of moving forward. So that is what your energies are coming up, Taurus. Let me check out some more energies. Let me clarify these cards. Okay, why the Moon card is here in the past energy for my Taurus? What is it, something hidden or something? What exactly this Moon card is in the overall energy for my Taurus? Sorry, so many cards. Why the Moon card is here, please? So we have Two of Cups and the Four of Cups. So Two of Cups fell over here as well, but I didn't pick up at that time. Okay, Two of Cups with the Four of Cups are here. Yes, I feel that somebody is trying to offer you something, offer a love cup, missed opportunities. I would say that either you have already missed that opportunity, either it's like already somebody has come and somebody has tried to talk to you, but you have missed it, like, no, I cannot, that thing, like, no, you have done wrong to me and I cannot talk. It's a no, obviously. But somebody is really trying to come towards you, Taurus. Who this person is, it's looking to see how these two people, the Two of Cups is the soulmate energy. Somebody is trying to figure out. Two of Cups also tells us that when we talk to someone, when we come in some partnership, it's a kind of talking and finding the bonds and balancing the issues, whatever there was. So this person is trying to talk to you, but I think it's looking to me as if somebody is trying to give them their cup, but somebody is not in the mood to talk. This person is not accepting the cup of communication. It can be the cup of love, it can be anything. So that is why it's in the Moon energy. You might have not told this to anyone yet, but there is something going on in your life, but you are very hideous. You are playing hideous over here, Taurus, and that's fine, I guess. Okay, let me check out your past energy. Seven of Rods, the Star, and Knight of Pentacles. I want to see what is the Seven of Rods in the past energies. Why the Seven of Rods is here? Seven of Rods clarified by Seven of Rods. Okay, so yes, strong energies of defending yourself, defending your territory, and standing up for yourself. If you were not wrong, so I'm not going to take anything, because I was not wrong. I was positive. I was always there. You were the one who left. Okay, you were always there. What else do we have? Ten of Cups. See, it could have been a marriage. You might have even fought for your family, that anyone who comes towards my family or any relationship, which is very strong, because since a Taurus energy, you might be slow warrior, but you are a warrior. You are like, no, nothing can happen. I am there. I am slow, but I will be always there. You have that tendency. Why the Star card is there in the past energies? Eight of Wands is here, and the Tower. Yes, so this is the Tower moment, I guess, when it seems to me that a time when everything starts to settle, when we think that everything is going fine, you know, nothing happening, everything is fine, slow and steady, something like that. All of a sudden something happens, you know, unexpected changes. It was very unexpected, and it just happened and you couldn't handle it. That was a situation of your past energies. Why this Knight of Pentacles is here in the past? Knight of Pentacles clarified by Knight of Pentacles. Wow, the energies are talking themselves, like, you know, it's strong Knight of Pentacles. That means when, no, I'm standing, I am not going forward. To me it looks like you're not able to accept whatever happened in the past. It took really long time for you to just move away from that situation. No, you were not letting it go. It was really hard for you to let it go. Yeah. Why the 10 of Cups is here in the present? 10 of Cups clarified by 10 of Swords. So yes, somebody is trying to come towards you to give you an offer. The same person from the past who actually defeated, who actually ignored you when you needed them the most, who actually betrayed you. Strong betrayal energy with the 7 of Swords. Why the 7 of Swords is here with the 9 of Wands? I think you are blocking this person to come in your territory or to come in your life again. You are not ready to accept this person, whosoever is coming towards you. You are not letting, you are blocking that energy. Your guards are down now. No. For you, it's a no. Why the 6 of Cups is here in the present? 6 of Cups clarified by 6 of Pentacles. Yes. Now I think the other person is ready to give you love, is ready to give you the loyalty, is very generous. All of a sudden, a lot of different aspects you are able to see about this person from the past. But yeah, what's with you, Taurus? What is with you? Why the World card is here in the future energies? Knight of Swords is here and Ace of Cups. Yeah, I think you are done with this process of this old relationship, and you are going to enter into something new. You are not there for this old person to come back. You are more interested into entering something new. And something new is, you know, because with the World card, it to me it seems that something, whatever the past was, the process is complete. And after, when the process is complete, something is really coming really fast towards you, and this is a new relationship. I don't see any old relationship you are going back to them, because of so much of hardships and so much of betrayals and, you know, bad policies, bad things, bad words. Everything was bad in the past. You gave your best, but things went really bad. Why the Queen of Cups is here in the future energies? 5 of Wands is here. What else? I think, yeah, Page of Wands. So I think that here it seems like there's some competition for you, you know, more than 2 people liking you, more than, because you are a very different personality, Taurus. So you are loving, people are attracting towards you. So a lot of people you might be seeing, meeting a lot of people, and you know, there might be a lot of crushes towards you. So be ready. Why the Temperance energy is here in the future? Page of Pentacles. See, such a positive card at the Chariot. You are very different personality now, Taurus. You want to move on, and you are moving on. This might be a new like studies. You might be entering into some kind of MBA or other higher studies you want to go towards. This is what it is. And for you, relationship stuff is really, right now you want to keep a pause. Okay, you do not want to continue too long for a relationship or something, anything. Alright, so that is all from my side, my dear Taurus. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.